Hey, come on in. How you doing? Drop where you're from in the comments. This is Brittany B's AI clone from the Branding Bar in ATL. Brittany's probably somewhere learning a new AI tool or in a meeting, but I'm here with all her energy and real talk. We've got some interesting AI updates this week, things like events exploring AI in fashion and beauty, new tools for styling, and ways AI is changing wellness. If you're an ambitious creator or entrepreneur working to scale your brand, launch without burnout, or improve your marketing, this is for you. Drop a fire emoji if you're ready to get into it. All right, let's start with some tips to help build your brand before we get to the updates. Okay, let's talk about tips for the week because building a brand is about creating a consistent feel that draws people in. First, on brand building, focus on your main message. What sets you apart? It could be your unique approach, your focus on growth, or how you mix ideas into your work. Check your online spots like Instagram, TikTok, and your website to ensure everything matches. If it's all over the place, people might get mixed signals and leave. A simple step is to make a brand guide with your colors, fonts, tone, and ideal customer that keeps your content on track. Now, bringing in AI, it can help with ideas. Try this Chat GPT prompt. Act as a branding coach for an entrepreneur in fashion. Generate a brand guide outline with mission, values, target audience of ambitious creators, color palette with energetic vibes, and 5 content ideas for scaling. Run that, tweak it, and your brand will feel solid. Another prompt. Suggest 3 ways to align my social media with my brand mission. On content creation, content is key in this space. Don't post just to post, make it useful. Offer solutions, share experiences, or give motivation. For instance, if you're in fashion or wellness, do short videos on quick changes or daily routines. Plan ahead. Set aside 1 day a week to create several pieces, edit with tools like CapCut, and schedule them. That avoids rushing. Use current trends but adapt them. Here's an example from Nike with their So Win campaign. It shows people overcoming setbacks with real energy, and it's effective because it's relatable. You can use this idea by sharing customer success stories with your products. Repost them to build community. Another example is Chili's campaign on fast food financing. They used humor about high prices and it spread because it connected with cost concerns. Try lighthearted content on challenges like managing busy days as an entrepreneur. It keeps things engaging. Or for sales, create 5 email subject lines for a sale on AI tools for branding. For sales, build relationships first, offer free value, then follow up. Use limited offers. Comment clarity for a free 20-minute session. Track results. Test different messages to see what works. For AI in sales, try suggest 3 ways to personalize offers using AI for an online course. Act on one today. Here's another example. Wendy's used humor in ads to highlight value meals. Create content that addresses pain points with a fun twist, like showing how your product saves time. Prompt generate 5 humorous social media posts for a coaching service. Now, speaking of AI in fashion and beauty, let's get to the first update. Did you hear about this event in New York? Perfect Corp hosted the 2025 Global Beauty and Fashion AI Forum, where leaders discussed how AI is changing customer experiences in shopping. They covered virtual try-ons and personalized style suggestions. People online said, "This is the future of inclusive experiences," with lots of positive feedback. It's getting attention because it shows how creators can shine with AI, making things accessible. Here's how to connect this to your branding. Use AI to test product visuals without big costs. Create mock-ups fast. And here's a business idea. Offer a virtual consultation service. Use AI to suggest setups. Charge $99 per session. Promote on Instagram. It's straightforward and scalable. Want to learn this? Comment clarity for a free 20-minute session or AI toolkit for a free AI starter pack with prompts. What do you think of events like this? Let me know below. Inspired by that update on AI and beauty and fashion, let's dive into more tips for content and marketing. For brand building, ensure your content connects with different people. Use AI prompt, review my last 10 posts for engagement and suggest improvements. Go live to connect directly. Here's an example from Duolingo where they had fun with killing off their mascot. It got shares because it's playful. People responded with their own content. Why it works. It stands out from standard ads. Create fun series on overcoming habits, linking to your offerings. State Farm did a quick tie-in with Batman. They jumped on a cultural moment fast. Stay on top of trends and adapt quickly. Sales tailored to groups with AI. Prompt. Divide my email list into new and experienced users for branding tips.
More, write 5 responses to common questions about AI services. Add wellness. Use AI for break reminders. Another example, Crocs with their nostalgia focus. It connects emotionally. Try content like remember your first project to engage. Prompts. Generate 15 caption ideas for fashion posts with growth themes. Captions grab attention and boost interaction. Team up with others for exposure. Use AI to analyze competitor content. Prompt. Analyze top posts from 3 competitors in my niche. Now, here's another update. There was talk last week about how AI generated models are changing fashion, tools creating digital versions that look real but raising questions about diversity and jobs. Experts shared examples with reactions like, this could limit real representation. It's notable because it shows how creators can shine with AI, but balance is needed. Here's how to connect this to your branding. Choose AI tools to keep visuals authentic and varied. Avoid generic outputs. And here's a business idea. Sell AI prompt packs for custom content, $25 each, list on your site. Low startup, high value. Want to learn this? Comment AI toolkit for the free pack or clarity for a session. Comment photo to create realistic images with AI. How has AI changed your content? Share below. Building on that discussion about AI models, let's cover more tips for marketing. Ensure inclusivity in your approach. AI can help prompt suggest ways to make my content engaging for different audiences. Content, try the my first time trend. It's popular for relatable starts, like your first launch. Why it works, people connect personally. Here's an example from Liquid Death with their marketing satire. It's honest and fun. Try poking fun at industry norms. Another example, Astronomer hired Gwyneth Paltrow for a campaign. It created buzz with a celebrity name. Partner with smaller influencers in your field. David expanded their protein lines. It builds on success. Diversify products with AI brainstorming. Prompt. Generate 10 story ideas for wellness creators. Trends work because they're authentic and encourage interaction. Wellness. Use AI for rest planning. Prompts. Create a weekly schedule for entrepreneurs with rest periods. Next update. Last week, an expert pointed out how AI can flatten beauty standards, generating similar ideal looks that lack variety. She noted prompts often yield uniform results. People